So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So here we've got the asus zenbook. So as you can see, it's got a really nice touch screen. You've got here also the actual Evo Intel i7. That's pretty much amazing too. And in general, it's really much amazing. As you can see, you can actually just turn it around. As you can see, you've got the moving screen. And it is true that it's got a good battery. It could be better, to be honest. But in general, I think that it works pretty much amazing. Now, would I actually choose it as my laptop? Well, it just depends on what you want. If you want a small laptop which is tactile, which you've got a great screen, great i7 actual chip, and in general that it works pretty well, I would actually say that it's pretty much amazing. Now, when would I actually think about buying a different actual laptop? Well, if I needed a little bit more battery, if the i7 maybe is not too great, I would say, but in general it does work pretty good. It's got the sound Harman by Cardinal, which I think it's pretty much amazing, and in general it works pretty well. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.